So it is the day after Christmas. Boxing Day. And we have a load full of trash, and we're headed for Short Mountain because Short Mountain is open today. We're going to get that emptied out, and then we are going to probably get right back at it. Not exactly sure what the plan is. We don't really have one. It's just essentially pick stuff up, fill up the trailer, and do it all over again, which generally is our plan with about everything. We were kind of talking and contemplating about where to put metal and where to put trash and how best to do it, and it's all sort of speculation, and I think we could talk about it all day long, and the situation will dictate the plan. So let's get this stuff out of the trailer and let's get back to it. Like a glove. Nothing like a couple atmospheric rivers to grease everything up. All right, what's the total, Steve?
4,100 pounds.
4,100 pounds. That's pretty good.
Yeah, another 2 tons out of the woods.
Another 2 tons out of the woods, and we're headed right back out there to get it tomorrow. So we'll be back here in just a second. Had quite the windstorm last night. We're I think in between waves of atmospheric rivers right now, but I'm hoping we don't have trees down up here. I did not bring my chainsaw. Using the fiberglass insulated handle, just
down.
Well, granted, but
Yeah, because it's disconnected down there. It could be hot all the way through.
The main I was talking to Army Corps guy.
Uh-huh.
The main transmission line from Lookout to wherever is completely down.
Yes, but this technically could be hot from the other end.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah. No chainsaw, so sawzalls it is. Cool. Absolutely no one in my household is answering the phone. Oh, that's an interesting feature.
Yep, nuclear.
Got killed by that?
Maybe.
Alright. So, if you have the druthers, can you come to my Jeep? And if not, I'm not worried about it. Get it solved. Not too bad.
Yeah, we just got a lot more to do.
Well, not a whole lot, but enough. Need a window through here, you know what I mean? Let's get the vine cut out. We're on Boundary, headed towards the dump site. And there's trees down on Boundary, and I'm bringing a chainsaw. So we're headed down Boundary towards the dump site. And there's trees down on Boundary from the windstorm. I did not bring my chainsaw. These folks waiting to get through? Nope. So let's get one more chunk. I think we can get one more chunk.
Okay.
Alright, first tree cleared. Wonder why these people are parked there, but at least they parked to the side. Question is, what else is out here? Not getting this one with a sawzall. Do we want to wait 20, 30 minutes for Tom, or do we want to call it?
Up to you. Interesting, somebody was here when this came down, because it stopped as an oil leak here. So this came down, somebody tried to come through, and they must have got out before that other one came down.
We can at least clear that other one over there while we're waiting.
I don't know why we would bother.
Well, while we're waiting for Tom.
Oh, if we're waiting for Tom.
Right. Sawzall. Every time I tried to drag it out of here with a fire hose. I'm only going to clear a lane.
Okay.
I'm gonna check out what's around the corner just in case. Alright, sitting in the truck enjoying my Bridgetown burrito. Thank you, Bridgetown Market. If you're ever in Lowell, check out the burritos. They are fantastic, as is the rest of their food. Behind me, Lane Electric has just showed up. They do not have a chainsaw, but they are working on looking at the line issue, and hopefully my father-in-law Tom will be here in just a second to rescue us. Alright, well, somebody's pulled up around the other way, so that might be a good sign. We're still waiting here for Tom. Well, maybe they'll have a chainsaw. Alright, I called my father-in-law. He hasn't even left yet. We've been here for an hour. We're going home. I'll get my saw. We'll come back another day and clear this, if it even needs to be cleared. We've been backing up for a while, and I just talked to a gentleman in a Toyota, and he says he's got a saw. There is nowhere to turn around on this road, so we've been backing up for about 2 miles. So it absolutely sucks. Pick and choose. My name's Mac, by the way.
I'm Ted.
Nice to meet you, Ted. I'd shake your hand, but oh, got a little echo. Ought to do the job. We're used to the Forest Service. Crotch starts. You got some really wicked side bind here. You see that? See how it hooks and into the tree? So when you cut this, odds are it's probably gonna whack this way. And I'd cut up there because it's gonna probably keep it up in the air. This is gonna keep up in the air. See what I'm saying? If you cut here, and then we can take chunks. Watch out for side bind. You okay? She's got some pop and crackle to her. You're gonna want to cut the back side out first. Don't just start going into her.
She's still cracking.
Oh yeah. When this thing goes, it's gonna pop like a mother. It's gonna explode. So you need to get the back side out first. So you want to reach over, cut the back side out, and then work your way to the front. That way you can feather back. This is pretty complicated. I don't have chaps. I wouldn't do this without chaps on, because you know you fall on your ass and with a lit chainsaw. Rice Krispies. Good idea. Get that footing clear. Be ready to run. If shit pops, leave the saw there. Just go. It's got a little, that's what we call Rice Krispie tree. Snap, crackle, and pop. Oh yeah, well, you got that whole tree right there. You got any wedges?
No.
Unless you can pull that out, you ain't getting that sucker out of there.
Why not? I have to take the tow rope and do it, pull it back.
You're gonna just do a different bind.
Yeah.
This is down, you need to lift up on it. I've got my little axe, so I suppose worst case scenario. Here comes Steve. Steve might be able to do something here.
What are you guys getting out again?
That burned RV up there. There's about 12 homeless encampments up here. We were one of them got abandoned. We're with a volunteer group called Friends of Fall Creek Watershed.
Oh, there you go.
I run a little YouTube channel called Trash and Trail where I've been trying to document some of the stuff we've been doing. But
that's awesome, man.
Friends of Fall Creek Watershed, we clean up public lands, and so when people abandon campsites or roadside litter or a little of everything, we come on out here and help with that.
Awesome. Oh. Let's see if I can get this chain.
You need a hand, Steve? One more click. You can do it, Steve. You all right?
Yep.
I'll put the bind back down on there.
You can do it, Steve. You all right?
Yep.
I'll put the bind back down on there.
It's not moving now, so.
That set itself.
Yep.
It's gonna take a couple more clicks, I guess. That's bending the jack.
Yeah.
One more. That's maybe you can help me, Steve?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You got 5,000 to 6,000 pounds crushing that. 1, 2, 3.
Whoop, there goes the jack.
Everybody out of the way. Wow. That is the end of that jack. That is Harbor Freight quality for you.
Yeah. I'm moving out of the corner of my eye, but wait a second.
I think if I get around this thing and hook it through my winch or my hitch, and at least pull on this to relieve the bind on this
Yeah,
one
you
side.
can worth a shot.
Better than, I'll keep chopping on this once you rig that up.
You can tie all 3 trucks together.
Yeah, I don't know about all that.
To get this out of here. Leave that back.
Yep.
I think if I keep going here, keep your eyes on the swivel. That'll relieve some of it. Can we keep going with that?
Yeah, keep going. Like,
Moving. Moving.
Get this, I can just remove the bar right out of here.
Far out.
That's good progress. Okay, that's a good one.
jack's already bent.
And chain.
Awesome.
All right, well, let's put her back together again.
Yeah, give him a little cut there, Mac. While
Take off their tools.
Just keep going. Need some more cut?
that was all in there.
Yep. babe.
Ooh, you see that little bounce? This thing is going to come this way. It's going to come this way 2 feet.
Nope, it's going to come this way
6 inches?
2 inches.
There we go.
All right. Well,
There we go, boys. That's a big worry right there.
Now it's a nice equal bind. So it's going to be a bottom bind at this time.
Yeah.
So you want to no point. Getting everything all.
As it goes by, it makes it harder to get down on your knees.
I hear ya.
Yeah. Not a real man today. Not a real man tomorrow.
I can get it. You want to cut? There you go. Good call. A lot of wood over here. There. Look at that.
We don't gotta go back up over this. Good right there.
I want to tighten that. I say go for it down here. We can push it.
Yeah.
We got 3 of us. Give us enough room for the 3 of us. Still going. You want this in the... You want it in the ditch or you want it over there? You want this in the ditch or you want it over across right there? It'll turn.
It's starting to stand up.
Yeah, it is. Needs another 4-foot chunk and then it'll do it.
Oh, he's got to cut the knob off.
Well, that's cheating. That's totally cheating. My name's Mac, by the way.
Brian.
Nice to meet you, Brian. Thanks for coming out and helping.
Yeah.
We're headed up that way to work on that burned RV up there. Of course, then it wants to be a cranky saw. No, there's not.
Somebody came in the other way. Oh, really? Yeah, it's clear. So this should be the last.
Folks from Lane Electric showed up. They helped us out, and we're all doing great things here, so time to hit the road. Yeah, you guys definitely got your work cut out for you.
Yeah.
We want to hack this up and... Okay. Get another one down. This little guy's more brush than tree.
Here we go on our big timber excursion. Ooh, she can give them way.
We got a little wiggle before we cut it. Question is, am I gonna have any batteries left when we get to the RV?
Well, we can pull the saw back out if you want.
Oh, that'll be alright. Ready? Yep. Let's see, where's my bind? On the bottom? Not more.
Oh, we even got a deer running by.
Bind on the top. Bind wherever I put it. I know that this one just came down because we were just talking to somebody about ta-da. Alright, no more trees? Just
Perfect.
RV. No more trees, just RVs, right? So my working title for this was something along the lines of I have no chainsaw in this tree fight. But now I'm kind of thinking no more trees, just RVs might also be a good title. So there you go. Around the corner we go. We're really close. And honestly, I think that RV that was back there looked just as abandoned as this one was. Well, a little bit more rock activity today. Not as much as... Thank you. That's good, Steve.